Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Sprint Video. Today we're going to talk about how to create your Apple ID free without credit card on your iPhone and iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, guys, what you have to do is just here tap on settings and then tap here on your here Apple ID profile. And then here what you have to do is you have to give your Apple ID. But if you don't have an Apple ID, then tap here on don't have an Apple ID or forgot it. And then here are some options: create Apple ID or forgot Apple ID. So here you have to select that create Apple ID. And then here what you have to do is just give your Apple ID first name. For example, I'm giving here my Apple ID first name, and then here your Apple ID second name. And then here you have to select your date of birth. So I'm selecting here my date of birth. And then year from here. And then after this, tap here on next. And then here you have to give your email address. So I'm giving here my email address. And then tap here on next. And then here what you have to do is just you have to select your password for your Apple ID. So I'm giving here my Apple ID password. And then here verify that. And then tap here on next. And here you have to give your phone number, and you have to verify that one as well. Like I'm giving here my phone number. And here are two options: text message or phone call. So you can verify your number from either of these two. So I'm selecting here text message and tap on next. So our code is sent to this number, so I have to enter that number. It's verifying. So here are some terms and conditions, so you have to read them and tap here on agree. Again tap on agree to confirm the process. So it's signing into iCloud now. So here what you have to do is just you have to give your device passcode. So tap here on cancel. And then here is one more step: you have to verify your email address. So what you have to do is just tap here on verify email address, and you have to sign in with your this email address, and a code will be sent to this email address, and you have to enter that code here. So tap here on send code. So here you can see our verification code has been sent to this email. So first of all, open your email. I have here email address. Here is my email address, and here you can see here is the email from Apple, and here is the code. So I have to give this code here. So as you can see, my email also has been verified and my Apple ID has been completed. So let me show here in my App Store. Here you can see here is my Apple ID. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.